Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making a homemade adobo seasoning blend. So let's get started. Alright, so let's put our adobo seasoning blend together. So the first thing we're going to do is put 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Okay, so we have 1 tablespoon of sea salt. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 1, 2. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of onion powder. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to put 2 teaspoons of parsley flakes. Alright guys, so this is our homemade adobo seasoning blend. You just have to mix everything thoroughly now. So if you have an allspice container, you can just take off the label and put a scotch tape on it and write the word adobo, and then you can put your homemade adobo seasoning blend in that container. All right, so here, that's what I have here. Okay. All right, so now get our funnel like this. There you have it, folks, our homemade adobo seasoning blend.